Okay, got it all cleaned up and got everything done to it, getting my windows tinted tomorrow. Put the black mirrors on it instead of the carbon fiber, because these are the actual replacement mirror caps instead of stick-on mirror caps. Got the Mirage decals. So tomorrow I get the windows tinted, and that's the last thing to do to it. Down inside. So essentially everything's done with it right now. It's a little dirty inside, got to get it cleaned up inside. But outside, got everything done. Alright, just wanted to do a quick video.